Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Civilogy. So your roof is the single most expensive maintenance item you'll ever replace on your home. Average US roof replacement in 2026, it costs anywhere between $9,000 to $30,000. Depends on your insurance and how much they're covering for you. And most homeowners just go with whatever their contractor quotes, and it's usually asphalt shingles, without knowing there are options that would last twice as much long for not much more money. Today, three roofing systems, real 2026 installed costs by climate zone, and I will tell you exactly which one I would use on my own home. Stay to the end. The lifetime cost table will surprise you. Why your roof choice is a 30-year financial decision. The problem, because most homeowners never question what their contractor recommends. Because the average Americans replace their roof every 15 to 20 years with asphalt shingles. That means if you're living in a home for 45 years, you're already replacing your home shingles like 3 times. And three replacements at average of 12,000, it costs you $36,000. That's a lifetime cost. And it's sometimes more than a car what you're buying. And if you're installing a metal roof at 22,000 at a setup cost like installation cost, it will last 30 years. You do the math. And that's before factoring in insurance discounts, energy savings, and home resale value. And most people optimize for bill for today, and only smart homeowners optimize bill over 30 years. And we'll talk about three roofing systems. Quick breakdown. Asphalt shingles. These covers about 80% of the US households. This is the default choice. And there are two main types: 3-tab, cheaper flat look, and 15 to 20 years of lifespan. And architectural shingles. These are thicker, textured, 25 to 30 years lifespan. These asphalt shingles are easy to install, easy to repair, and any contractor can do it. And when we talk about the weakness, these are vulnerable to hail, high winds, and heat causes. When it comes to energy performance, these are poor because dark shingles absorb heat and raises your attic temperature by 20 to 40 degree Fahrenheit. Let's talk about metal roofing panels, the most affordable metal option. The lifespan will be 30 to 45 years with proper maintenance. These are great for barns, sheds, garages, rural homes, agricultural buildings. These have wind resistant up to 120 mph. Major upgrade over shingles. And when we talk about weakness, exposed screws can back out over time, which causes leaks. Not ideal for low slope roofs. These look industrial and not always HOA approved in suburban areas. And standard seam metal roof. These are premium option. So concealed fastener systems. So these panels interlock at raised seams. No exposed screws, and these lifespan is 50 to 70 years, often outlast the home itself. These can resist wind up to 140 to 160 mph, and these are very good in hurricane zones. And these have reflective coatings which reduces cooling load by 10 to 25%. And many of the insurance carriers offer 20 to 30% discount for metal roofs in storm-prone states. These cost higher upfront but needs experienced installers. Bad insulation creates noise and leaks. These are best for coastal or storm zones, hot climates where AC savings compound. Now we'll talk about installation cost comparison in 2026. The prices were shown here may vary depends on the location where you are. So please check your local contractors or local suppliers. So when we are talking about 2000 square foot home, which is 20 squares of roofing. So you need 20 squares. Asphalt shingles will be installed at a price of anywhere between $2,800 to $5,800. Metal panels will be installed at $4,800 to $7,800, and standing seam will be installed at $9,000 to $15,000. But when you see the lifetime cost, so for a replacement, asphalt shingles you have to replace 3 times, cost you $33,000 to $55,000. Whereas architecture shingles, your replacement is 2 times in probably 30 years. So your maximum lifetime cost is $40,000. For metal panels, it might be 1 or 2 replacements that cost you $39,000 at max. For a standing seam metal, you only replace once in 50 to 70 years. So it costs probably $37,000 for maintenance for lifetime cost. So standing seam wins on lifetime cost almost every time. If you plan to stay in home for 15 plus years, I would suggest go for standing seam. So there might be different metal types or different material choices in all of these types of roofings. So check your local suppliers and which roofing or which roof wins by climate zone. Florida or Gulf Coast, standing seam. And Texas, class 4 shingles or metal. Colorado or mountainous regions can go for metal panels or standing seam. Arizona, standing seam because it's a cool roof. Georgia or Southeast, architecture shingles or metal. Ohio, Midwest, Northeast, can go for architecture shingles or metal. Choose asphalt or architecture shingles if your budget is under $8,000, and if you are staying in mild climate or this is an investment property you will sell within 10 years. Choose metal panels if you want metal durability on a tighter budgets. These are great for rural homes, garages and outbuildings. Choose standing seam if this is your forever home. You're in a storm or extreme heat zone, or you want to install it once and never think about it again. My personal pick for any home I own, standing seam with a cool roof coating, because the insurance savings alone in Florida or Texas can pay back the premium cost within 8 to 10 years. And 3 things your roofer won't tell you. Lifetime shingles don't mean lifetime coverage. Manufacturer warranties are prorated after year 10. So read the fine print. Metal roofs do not leak more than shingles. That's a myth. Standing seam with 0 exposed fasteners actually leaks less. The myth comes from poorly installed metal panels. Insurance companies in Florida and Texas are now refusing to renew policies on homes with asphalt shingles over 15 years old. Metal roofs is equals to insurability protection. Finally, that's a full breakdown 2026 numbers. Drop a comment which state are you in and what roof are you replacing or building with. Thanks for watching the video. Next video will be on spray foam versus batt insulation versus rigid board. Real cost and R values breakdown 2026. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for future videos.